Watch. At the world, it's not a plan. Yo, watch where I go on. Let me get electrified now. A franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You know when I come for represent, you know a full effect thing. You know what go already? When I load up, aim up, crank up and drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them, you know a loud explosion about you. Watch me, I'm the people's champion. Oh you mean? A Gaza favorite, most definitely. I'm the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Right about now, you know. Gaza Nation, oh, Canicla I go like a him at the show when they bet at the train line at a 2:45, so. Oh, the man act like the it is like the big hit man at the mad squad, so. Bumbuk Canicla, you are murderer, killing people are your sports. When they shot them done from the rifle, you cut them bumbuckler throat because you are murderer. Bumbuckler in a chat, but me never that tell you no. Say him look at 1122 shit them where my drop. Now go can manage Canicla. Me never that tell you no. And all the dodgy mad dodge and I hide from certain things where the man for address in the man's song and go around and I talk about Humpy Dumpy and KFC and all of them look at gimmicks business. You think that can work? You saw the man on fire? Eh? You saw the man on fire? I don't even know if you don't know, you know. Say the man a bust the calico, you know. We carry 110, you know, with the cooler system on it, you know. I don't know if you don't see it, you know. Yo, shop done, I done see it, you know, all my gun see it, you know. I done tell you already, you know. Me they tell you, say Canicla go bust him head, me they tell you. You can't say a lie, me I tell you no shop done. Me done see it, me tell you already. All my gun see it. Me know Canicla go bust out him head. Him not so versatile, him not so aggressive when it come on to hardcore lyrics. Him can do a thing or two. I ain't saying him not do no good song, but Canicla make him good song them look like baby song. And that me I make you know. You see what me I deal with? I can't lie about it, cause right about now, you know. If you ask me, a 2-0, you know. A 2-0. When I say the thing they are 2-0 and F. Him come and him drop a weak song, you know. Or him drop a song where it's strong and Canicla come again and dismiss it and can't go 3-0. It don't make no sense, you know. I want to know that, you know. Because in a competition, you know, you always have a winner or a loser, you know. Is what I deal with. I'm not supposed to use to them shit there just like how you used to yes and no. So when a man lose, you know, a man just hold him lose, you know, and go graceful with it, you know. And not cause up no animosity, no fuckery, you know. Because him can't manage Canicla. I do not need eyeglasses to see that. I don't know no joke thing. Him not have what it takes. The man a bun it, the man a bust out him head. Wicked. And let me tell you something, you know, my father, you can run coming out in a Canicla or well one piece of you too, you know. I really thought me I make, you know, so you can go in it, you know. I feel like the six them a lollipop thing, you know. I think like a joke thing. Eh? Wanna feel like. Me never that tell you no. Me never that tell you no what gonna happen. You wanna think I lie me that tell? What? 10-star representing a full effect, you know. Law boss, you're a murderer, killing people on your sport.